Linked Insights lets you connect any measure in a source report to a completely separate target report. Here's our source report. It's a summary report built on the leads data source, grouped by owner, with count of leads as the measure. Now let's link it to a second report. Open the drill down tab and select Configure Linked Insights. Click Add to start a new linked insight. Pick the measure that should trigger the link, count of leads, and choose the target report, for example, activity count by leads. Now map the dimensions. The source uses owner, the target uses its own equivalent field for the same user, map them together. Then map the filters, created on, sales groups, and owner, so the target report opens with the same scope as the source. Save the linked insight. Note that if your source report has more than one measure, you can configure multiple linked insights. Now, save the report, and we're done. Here's what the user sees. When you click the count of leads next to a user, the activity count by leads report opens in a new tab, already filtered to that user's leads, with the date range and sales group filters carried over. That's Linked Insights, a faster way to navigate between reports.